Hey guys, how's it going? So, have you ever wondered what your horsepower goes to and your torque whenever you upgrade to 37s, 38s, 40s? Well, I kind of wanted to find out on this, which is my 2018 JLU, and it's running 40s. So, I know what my horsepower is stock, and I wanted to see what it would be like if I did a dyno now. And the only thing I've done to this is a S&B cold air intake. Everything else is stock. So what I wanted to do, put on the dyno, find out what my horsepower is, and find out exactly how much torque I'm losing and how much horsepower I'm losing by running these 40s. So let's go to the dyno and see how it goes. So now that the dyno's done, now we can look at the numbers. So, wrote it down just in case. So, stock horsepower, I'm running around 239, and my torque is about 223. Now, every car is different. Of course, Jeep says that the Jeep has 260 horsepower, but that's at the flywheel, so I can't really trust that. So, now, after my dyno is done, on the 40s, I'm at 187 horsepower, and my torque is at 197. So I've lost a lot. 52 horsepower is lost, and I've lost about 26 in torque. So kind of a, what you want to do and what you want to go on tires, 37s, 38s, 40s, whatever you want to do. Me, this is not a speed machine. I'm not trying to race anybody. I'm trying to get over the rocks. I'm trying to get on the trails and have no problems. So there you have it. I was kind of curious for a long time exactly how much horsepower and torque, what was happening. I doubt that my cold air intake is doing anything for me, maybe 2 horsepower if that. So so roughly I'm a little bit short than 200, so lost a lot, but now you know. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please like below and subscribe, as you'll be seeing a lot more videos of this. Thanks so much.